how to apply for jobs on Indeed.com. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the official website of Indeed Jobs, and then this is how it will appear. Over here, you have to just type the job title that you are looking for, and then select the place where you are looking for it. Suppose I am looking for video editing, so I will just type video editing over here. Now I will select the place where I want to search for it, and suppose I want to search for it on a remote basis, so I will just type remote over here and select it, then click on this option of find jobs, then let it do its work and you would be able to find it. There are plenty of jobs over here. You can just scroll through it, and suppose I'm selecting this one, then I will also be able to see different details about this particular job, like the information about the company that has posted this job and job description and all the other details related to this particular job. In case I want to move forward and check out for other details, then you can also look out for that as well. There are different details available to you, like the salary range, whether it is temporary or not, whether there is a rotational shift or not, and you can also find more details by clicking on any specific detail or the listing, and then click on this option of apply. In case if you want to apply for that particular job, just simply click on apply. It will ask you to create your account or log into your account on Indeed Jobs, and this way you would be able to apply for different jobs, and that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.